Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. This is Beast channel. You already know what I talk about here: relationship, marriage, advice, and love. That is all what I talk about on this channel. And maybe anything affecting the environment itself, I can chip in a little bit. So I have my niche. So, guys, welcome to my channel again. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hello, lovely people. Welcome back. I will be I'll be discussing about this topic. I know it's going to sound somehow to some people, like, which, what kind of a topic is this? Okay, this is the topic: how to last long as a man. How to last long as a man. It sounds somehow, right? Okay, how to last long as a man.
There's some certain things you need to avoid, and there's some certain things you need to do to make you to last long as a man. Do you want me to tell you? There are just five I'm going to be listing out. I'm not going to be listing them out. I'll be discussing on them. So all those things, you need to avoid them if you know you're a real man.
You avoid them, and if you want to know you want to last long, and there's some certain things you need to do if you want to last long. Okay, what are these first thing you need to do, like if you want to like last long? Is it something you need to do or something you need to avoid? Once it come time you want to have you want to have like with your woman, you want to like going into sex with someone, like you've been waiting for this lady, you want to just like dive in so quickly, you understand? What you need to do, don't be too excited. Trust me, when you're too excited you just dive in. Trust me, you're not going to take it anywhere. You'll be tired. Don't, why I say it again, you should not be too excited. When you see a woman, don't dive in that fast. Take it slowly. I know it will come to a point at the end or towards the middle, she says she's gonna need it harder. So you just can't just dive in that way. Be like giving it that punch so fast. Trust me, you ain't gonna last. You ain't gonna last as a man. So you need to take it slowly, harder, slowly. Work with these two terms. You're going to enjoy a full. Let me not say that. So even though you're gonna give her that like hard too much, you don't just need to like go in that fast. You understand? Women need touch. First, you need to like touch your woman so that you will have this urge. Like let the urge should be there. Don't be too. Why I say you should not be too excited. Like you really, when you're so excited, you just want to dive in. Like you don't just know what is happening, you just want to go in. So you need to like first romance your woman so that she too will have that urge, so that you guys are going to enjoy this mutual thing. Like, so this is what you need to do. If sex is 100% and from the physical part of it in is 60, and for the mental side is 45, so you don't want to like mix up the 45% of it. You understand? So you just have to keep it slow. So the other part we'll be looking here is poor mental health. Poor mental health. What do I mean by poor mental health? When you are in the stage of depressed and you're just tired, like for example now you become like you just close for work and you be coming home and you say you want to like go into it. Come on, you can't. You need to be in a stage, full stage of recovery, like you're free from something, you're not thinking of anything, stress or depression or any other thing before you going into your woman. So you avoid this, just give yourself some time. So when you know you're fully proper ready, you understand, you're not thinking of anything, no depression, no nothing, all those things, trust me, you're gonna last. So take that off. Don't be in that stage or on that mode that you say you want to go into your woman. Trust me, you're not going to last. The next one here is poor physical health. What do I mean by poor physical health? You see, there's a certain things you need to avoid as a guy at your early stage. Avoid it, too much intake of sugar. Any sugary stuff, avoid it. You're not going to last long if you're taking all those things as a guy, sugar. So I won't be the one to tell you. So just go to your Google search, type in on your phone the effect of this stuff. You understand? It's going to affect you. You're not going to last long. That is just it. Avoid sugar. Browse it. You're going to see it. Trust me. Hmm. Do you know I closed this my eye? I have to say it out. The other part, I know it's going to sound, but let's just say the truth out. taking too much of alcohol. Is it taking too much of alcohol? Taking alcohol itself, trust me, too much of alcohol. You know, do you know it's not good for your health? Like if you want to like going into like into your woman and you're just like this particular person that take too much alcohol, you're not going to last. No, but now let me just say it will not affect you now. I've come across several ladies which I have to chat with them. I have to talk to them one on one. Like I would like, can you stay with a man that doesn't drink? Some ladies tell me that once I made an interaction like with one particular lady. He said, okay, he can't stay with a man that doesn't drink. You understand? Because it triggers his energy. When he takes that drink, yeah, he's gonna last long. Trust me, yeah. Sometimes you can say people body are differs. You understand? You can be taking this thing as well, but at your age of 27, 35, and getting to 40, if this thing is going to affect you, definitely it's going to affect you. So at this your early stage and you're taking, yeah, you're drinking and you say, okay, without this thing I can't be able to last in bed, it's not going to affect you now. At your early stage of 37 up to 40, it's going to affect you. So what you need to do, you need to avoid drink when you want to like have, I don't want to say it. This part I'm about to tell you is going to help a lot of people.
And do your exercise. Do your daily routine exercise. Do your exercise. I keep shouting it again. Do your exercise. See, exercise really help. You're gonna last long. You understand? When you do your daily exercise, at least in a week, do your exercise very well. It's gonna trigger you. You understand? So don't be so like you just stay idle without doing any exercise. Exercise really do help in terms of if you want to last long. And if it's not, let's just put away this last long of a thing. Even the exercise is good for your body. You understand? So
Do your exercise regularly. I know this other part I'm about to say is going to sound somehow to some certain people. You understand? There's some certain substance we always take that ladies do advise us, like you want to like go in very fast, like taking of energy drinks and other things. There's some certain things some men do take and they last long. Sometimes, why I say you guys should like avoid those things. You understand? It won't affect you at your young age. You still need to avoid that. Those things that you take that to trigger your urge, like you want to like kill someone, like, oh, you understand. So I've also try and avoid those stuff, those substances. It's really gonna like, it's not gonna have an impact in your health when you've gotten to a certain age that you can perform your duty as a man. It's gonna be a big F. It's gonna be a big F. So I'll be stopping here for a while. I'll soon continue on the topic itself. You understand? The topic is so large, like what you need to do, what you need to avoid as a man. You understand? So if you find this topic so interesting, guys, just comment under the comment section. It's just me being so real to you. You understand?